The Ford F-150 is one of those vehicles that basically has its own genre of accessories. And if we're talking about accessories that actually do something, the Bull Bar usually lands at the top of the list. People just love that rugged front-end look. Let's get brutally honest. Most people don't buy a Bull Bar because they expect to plow through herds of wild beasts or off-road boulders. They want protection from overzealous shopping carts, sneaky wildlife, and the occasional fender bender in the Home Depot parking lot. But that said, a quality Bull Bar can genuinely protect your F-150's bumper and grille. I've seen plenty of pothole-riddled streets in Portland, and trust me, when you hit one of those parking lot barriers a bit too hard, a Bull Bar just laughs it off. The installation process is where most people win or lose. Folks think you need a full car lift and an engineering degree. Nope. It's a power drill, a few wrenches, and about 60-90 minutes of light sweat. If you can build an IKEA shelf, you can do this. The big pain point? Factory tow hooks. Some models require you to remove them, which isn't exactly what you want if you actually use those hooks. Pro tip, look for Bull Bars specifically designed to retain factory tow points. Saves a bunch of hassle. Don't get suckered into thinking you need a $1,000 stainless steel zombie apocalypse-ready monstrosity either. Most solid Bull Bars range from $180 to $400, without sacrificing much in terms of real-world performance or looks. If style matters to you, and honestly it kind of should, black powder-coated options resist rust about 70% better than generic chrome over time. That makes a difference if you're in a city with lots of rain, like, say, Portland. Performance-wise, a Bull Bar isn't magic. It's not going to save your entire front end if you ram a concrete wall at 40 miles per hour. But for deer, loose gravel, or rogue garbage bins, it takes the hit first. That alone can save you a $1,500 bumper replacement. If you're into off-roading or just like those Baja race vibes, consider a Bull Bar with a built-in light mount. The wiring is generally plug-and-play, and auxiliary lights can double your nighttime visibility on winding back roads. A major annoyance I see is people who don't line up the Bull Bar correctly. Eyeball it wrong, and your truck looks like it's winking in photos. Double-check the mounting brackets before you tighten everything. It's worth those extra 3 minutes. Oh, and insurance. This surprised me. Some policies give you a small discount for beefing up your truck's safety features, but others might frown on anything aftermarket. Call your agent so your claim doesn't get torpedoed by a $200 Bull Bar. Finally, make peace with the fact that a Bull Bar, while very practical, changes your F-150's aerodynamics and sometimes even your parking sensor accuracy. Not a deal breaker, but something that takes a tiny bit of getting used to, especially in tight city garages. At the end of the day, a Bull Bar isn't just a hunk of metal. It's function, style, and a little peace of mind. Not bad for something you can bolt on in an hour and show off any day at the neighborhood barbecue.